Welcome to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. This property is located in B Block Nizamuddin East. It's a park-facing property and a very peaceful location. Nizamuddin East is known for its greenery, and this is the park in front of the property. It is a very modern elevation. So now let's see the house from inside.
Welcome to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. So today we'll be showing you a 200 square yards beautiful property in Nizamuddin East. So as you can see, it's very spacious and the built-up area is 1350 square feet. This is the living room area and it has ample space to entertain your guests. So lovely floor to ceiling glass which allows natural light to come in. A double sliding door has been provided by the builder. One is the mesh and another one is the glass one. So this is the balcony attached to the living room facing with the park view.
It has designer ceiling work and modern interiors.
So this is the entrance. The foyer is very spacious and wider and gives you a very open feeling when you enter the house. So here we enter the first bedroom. Every bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom and built-in closets. So this is the first bedroom adjacent to the drawing room with a balcony with a park view.
Every bathroom has branded fittings, Italian stone cladding on walls, designer vanity and mirrors.
This is very modular, functional and very well-planned kitchen, and all high-tech fittings have been used.
Chimney and hob is pre-installed in the kitchen, and there are ample storage spaces to store kitchen essentials. This space is for the refrigerator.
So moving forward, let's have a look at the second bedroom.
So this bedroom comes with a dressing and wall-to-wall closet.
So every bedroom has a beautifully designed bathroom attached to it.
Every bathroom has a rain shower and a glass partition.
So this is the third bedroom. So this bedroom comes with a glass finished sliding door closet. As you can see, it's very spacious.
Ample LED lights have been used to enhance the look and feel of the house.
And this is the bathroom attached to the room.
This is the multifunctional and covered rear balcony with a washing space.
This beautifully designed builder floor has Italian marble flooring, Mitsubishi air conditioning and balconies attached to each and every bedroom. So I hope you have enjoyed this property tour. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our property channel for many more luxury properties in South Delhi.
Premium granite flooring in stairs. Automatic door Otis lift with automatic rescue device. A well-designed stilt car parking.